You are in my mind. I know that there would come a time you feel the feeling inside. So magically go higher. Love is like a lake, memorizing its stripes. Know what to say, what to say. Don't know what to do. Don't want to say. My heart is full of tears when you pass by. Every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time, all the time. When I'll always win. No reason why I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have you inside. I know it's romantic, I know I am. My eyes on the eyes, but here I am. Struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do. You want me, don't know what to say. My heart is fully ditched when you pass by. Every minute, second of the day, you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Thank you kay Samsung sa kapakpak sa dapat sa kalimat. Ay, enjoy na ito. I know you and the heart. It's funny how we get along so easily. We're just friends, aren't we? You got yours, I got mine, and the rest, wherever you be. Come on, we're getting to know each other a little too well. We're starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that I speak mine, I let it like me inside. Yes, we're getting to know each other a little too well. And I find myself on in those songs. I get it. Too many times I'm working to end. And I know that you know that it's hopeless to go away. We're getting to know each other. We're starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that you ask me about, I like it inside. Yes, we're getting to know each other a little too well. Nandiyan na ka rin, a little too well. in your eyes must be love at first sight. You were just part of my dream. There's nothing more so deep. But my love will wake much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. So every time I close my eyes, you hold my eyes. I can't touch you. The closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile. Let's twinkle in your body in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. You don't love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more so it seems. I guess I know my inspiration. We just want smile and take my breath away. So hold me close and say you stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, special smile. A twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Every time that your eyes meet mine, I don't know how it feels inside. Yes, we're getting to know each other a little too all the time. All the time. Thank you so much. Our next performer, ladies and gentlemen.
Wa may naabot na sinisiyo eh. Dapat na mo labay
Alam
labay
niyo,
nila, kwarta-kwarta.
Umabot
Butang sa uy, makatag 500, 1,000 minimum ba? Mindset, diba? Minimum 1,000, di daw joke. Pero
Let me call on your
Yeah.
partner, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our level 2 student,
yeah, next generation artist.
club member. Let's give a round of applause to Kay Ida. A round of applause, please. Thank you so much.
Festival Queen of Pagpolo. Yeah. Tanawa ba pa kay na akong estudyante. Kabaw, sa una, nagamay pa kani siya. Karon gamay gihapon. Kumusta naman ka, Kay?
Other coach,
Yeah.
lumalaban.
Lumalaban. That's life. By the way, she's one of our finest students in the Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy. How long have you been in the school day, gani, Kay?
Mag 13 years na, coach.
Gamay na, ay, suti ang 13 years, di mailahan akong edad. Imposible sa kayo ko, nagtulog ko, 11 years old mo. So, mag 13 years, so I'm so
Mga
proud.
2012, coach.
Yeah, 2012,
If
yeah.
I'm not mistaken, yes. 2012.
Pila edad din mo ito? 8?
Oh, coach, around 8 or 9.
9. Imagine. Maniguwang na lang mo. Dire na mo, pwede ra dyan. Nawa si Ma'am Ann, Ako nang estudyante si Ma'am Ann, si Coach Jade. Basta, Laban lang good. Wa pa man ready ang music, pwede na mag-start. Ay, chismis naman din very good. Ladies and gentlemen, my partner, Kahiya Kila.
Her name I want to know. The way she looks and where you go. I need to see her face. I need to understand when I came to an end. You said I want to my wait for you and I'm around when I was young. I'll let you go. Want to I be all I see. Let you go. Away to be somehow more than the world can. The words I never said. It seems to never pass. We needed touch of what you promised to give us. For all time, I'll let you go. What do I need? All I see. Away to be somehow more than the world can. I close my eyes and dream of you and you. There's more to life than there is tonight. I close my I've never let my soul to hold you once more. Never let this promise away to be somehow more than the world can.
Wow, that was great.
Kayo na guys.
Thank you.
Watch it.
Congratulations.
Watch it, hindi ko kasama.
Grabe kayo si Kino. Oh,
Watch it.
ano man.
Watch it.
Wala yung nataga.
Wala siya.
Akala wala yung sudlanan. Kaya kung sudlanan din ha. Okay. And if Kay joined MMP in 2012, kinsay mga 8 years old gani nga bata diha karon dira. 8 years
Wala
old.
pa.
Wala?
6,
7 years old. Yan, 7 years old. Inanay ko itong gamay sa una si Kate po, di ba? But now, daga na si Kate. Magdoktora na po siya.
Sunod na, madoktor na siya. Sunod na, mangita na siya Paris. Sunod na, maminyo na siya. Sunod, mga po. Ipangapon niya rin. Napon na mo, anak na ng cycle.
Ana na di.
Asa mo dito padong, di
Oh,
ba? Kanang tao mo padong, katiguang.
Of
Pero mo
course.
ang dito kami niyo.
Yes.
No.
And, naana sa sunod mag-menu boss.
Ana, di ay, ginoo.
Ang ganit ko si Kate, doktora kanya yung sa kay psychologist po din siya.
Ano usong minyo ron? Nag-usong ang buwag-buwag.
Ito pa na kay Paradaghan mo enroll na sa ka ba?
Sige.
Ah.
Sige. Di na nato dugi-dugayon pa. Tawagon nato sa basipang pa.
Si Clark Magasa level to next generation artist to love member. Please, a round of applause. Basta kasama kita.
Kinsa man na? Kinsa na? Sige. Biyakan sa tikadong ha. Sige, kamot sa da.
Cover speech.
Tayo magkakalayo. Hindi tahimik ang puso ko. Bawat sandali hawak kita. Di mapakali hanggang kapiling ka. Dahil ika'y makita na labis-labis ang tuwa na darama. Mag-isip na, mag-isip na ang iyong mata. Kahit ano pa ay kakayanin ko na. Basta kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala na hanap isa. Sana ikaw lang ang siyang mananaling kasama ko. Kahit ika'y mawawala, ang lahat sa buhay ko'y maglalago. Basta kasama ka, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hanap iba. Basta kasama kita. Basta kasama ka, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta kasama ka, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hanap iba. Basta kasama kita. kasama kita.
Wow. Thank you so much. Give him a round of applause. But Clark joined MMP in 2012. So, una gamay, ha? 2011 din. Isa sa mga pioneers sa MMPEE. Sa context po na mo siya na meet. And then before, si Clark kay kanang manggiwawan jud kay na si Clark. But sige na siya kanang appeal o context. And so that's where we tawagan na. Where we met him. And then from there, kay naana sila sa MMPEE, sukad-sukad, hantod na lang karon. So it's a very nice feeling that you still see your students performing with you and also joining you here in this kind of event. But because of that, I'm sure ganahan sa tumaning ang kanta. And I want to share this song to you guys. If you know the song, pwede mo mawari din nga inyong kung kuan, kuyugan. Kasi kabaw na. Kasi idol ni Arya. Kaya sir. Mereka kakatahon din si Sir Ronda. Naadyo masukol na ko diri ron. Ano ito magwa sa ladies and gentlemen? Pakpak sa biya pa. Para nice one. Walang ibang naaalala kundi ang alis ng iyong hindi parang nagsasabi. Mahal mo ito. Ibang ka aking dilim sa lahat ng nakilala. Walang ibang naghahatid ng sigla tulad mo, sinta. Walang katulad, wala nang iba sa iyo. Wala nang kapalit, wala nang kakadama sa iyo. Di ka man ihanapin, kahit kanino pa nabis ang iyong kanta. Wala nang katulad, mahal kita. Okay, sir, may sir. Laban, sir. Sir Jude. Uli-ulitin ko ang nadarama ng aking puso. Ang damdamin ko'y panalangin sa'yo. Kahit kailan di mababago. Ikaw ang naging hanap-hanap sa aming araw. Ikaw ang nais ko sa tuwa ay nananalaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala na nang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Ikaw ang nais na matanaw itong mga mata. Tuloy kayang nabighani ako sa tagay mo. Ganda nais kong marinig, walang mong ibig. Nasa aking halip at ang lagang buhay gulong pa ng nangis. Sa nagkahing minsan ay mapansin ako. Malaman kong ika'y mahal na yun ang totoo. Isipin na bibiro ako. Tunay ang pag-ibig na alay. Ikaw ang kasama buhay ang pag-ibig na alay. Sa'yo'y tunay. Ayoko na sana mahal. Ayoko na sana umibig ka. Ayoko na sana sana ngunit nahihikay tayo. Dugo'y bigla humito, sana'y magbalik ka sa aking sinta. Ikaw na ligaya, tanging ikaw sila. Bakit tanging ikaw sila. Hindi magsasawa sabihin ko. Salamat kayo sa mga nakapagdiha. At di mo pagpag kung may hatag na kwarta. Mahal pangako sa iyo, hindi magbabago. Wake up with it. Ikaw lang ang ibig ko. Basa na lang. Kahit ikaw ay lumayo at masadan ako, asahan na di makalala mo. Ang pag-ibig ko'y tanging sa'yo lamang, kung kaya't dapat mong malaman. Minsan na kitang iibigin, minsan na kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil ang minsan ay makakailangan. Minsan na lang ikaw ibigin, minsan na lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil ang minsan ay nakakailangan. Dahil ang minsan ay Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, another student we have here. She's also Next Generation Artist Club member, and she's joined us since 2012. Kuyog sa iyang brother na si Clark. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Hana Mang-aso. A round of applause. She also joined sa Little Things Philippines, right? How was your experience there, man? Pwede din mo i-encourage ang atong mga new students. Nakalimot na ka, kay pila ito edad niyo ato? 4 years old din ay. Hala, sige. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Hana, please. Sa una po, kay gamay po kay si Hana, mura po siya na siya phone niya. Isa gani siya o kanang tawagan niya. Hula-hoop matungong, no? Mo to iyang special na skills. Ang pag-itsa-itsa sa hula-hoop. Alright. Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
I did not love you. I felt so ashamed. things I planned, I always want to last. In weak and shifting sand, I live by another shore. And the light of day, and all the flowers away. Yesterday, when I was young, there was so many stars. The way this sounds, so many words. Ladies on the wind, and so much pain. But that's life. I remember and it never stopped what life was all about. And every conversation that I can recall concerned somebody and nothing else at all. Yesterday, I'm gonna walk the moon, and every day, something to do, and you were perfect. I live for one, and never celebrate, and that's to make me all day. And never flame alive to quickly die. The friends I pursued somehow drift away, and only when I was young, there was waiting to be sound, so many words, it's so great, that's tears upon my nose, and the distance of me to take yesterday when I was young. Yesterday when I was young, there was somebody so waiting to be found, so many words. Ladies on my way, so much pain, I gotta die. Yesterday, when I was young, there was somebody so waiting to be found, so many words. Ladies on my way, so much pain, I gotta die.
That was Hannah Mag-aso. Grabe. And This is one of my favorite song yun niya na rendition. Yesterday when I was young, what ko kay ba na song, but when she sang that, I really love it. Maura yun akong makasulti. So karon, let us give a round of applause to our singing doctors, ladies and gentlemen. Seldom na kayo mahitabo sa itong kinabuhi. Guwapan ha? Doctors, pa, diba? Let's give a round of applause to Dr.